Hey, in this video I want to show you how you can pull parcel information, especially those which is difficult to get. So if I'm just searching for Tennessee Hamilton parcel, right, I may get into websites such as this, and this particular one does not have Hamilton as a download, right? There's a few of them that it doesn't have. It'll point you to their county assessor property, and some of them may not be available or it may not be free, right? So in this case, you may come across websites that have a map view, right? So if I were to click this, you'll get a map that may look like this, right? So as you zoom in, you'll eventually get to this parcel view, right? And you can click on any of those and it'll give you some of that property information. If you click further details, you may get the more details about the property itself, right? So I'll close that out. But one thing you can do if you're using most browsers, let's say in this instance Chrome, you could press the F12 key on your keyboard, or I believe you can go to let's just leave it at that. But basically you're going to open the developer tools. It looks like this, right? And from here, you're going to see, this is basically a shape file, right? That as a .shp, which you can open with any ArcGIS software. But in this instance, we're just loading the map, right? If that makes sense. And as you're clicking through, you come across this JSON files, right? So if you can look closer, this is basically doing two things. One is pulling the mapping sort of shape files so you can physically see the map. And two, it's actually pulling the information of the parcel itself, right? So in this instance, this particular one, this is live addressing. It may change slightly different, so you might have to just do a bit of trial and error. But in this instance, as you can see, there's this live parcel map server, right? Typically, I'm interested in copying this into the query bit, right? Copy and paste that here. Basically, if you go back once to parcel, you'll see which records or which fields are available, right? So in this instance, you can see that, we have owner information, we have address, mailing address as well. So this is going to give us what we're looking for, right? So if you click back into parcels and you click here into query, that's the bit that we're trying to get, right? You can also look into the metadata. Sometimes it'll show you when was the last time it got updated. So for my use case, today's early September. But basically what I want to do is grab this. If you type 1 = 1, you can just get a quick sort of preview of how the data may look like. I built a PowerShell script in which I'm basically copying and pasting that bit, right? And I'm entering here. That's all I need to do. And then I'll click run. And just to save you some time, I already did that. So in this case, there's about 165,000 records, right? So now, if I look at if I launch it here, so from here you can see, the ownership information and the details of the property. I won't show the names much because of privacy reasons, but basically, yeah, this is how you would go about downloading the parcel for certain counties that you're interested in, right? And yeah, I'll make this PowerShell script available if you want to use it. But again, just to recap, you can enter whatever information, whichever city or county you're looking for. If it's not available in their open data website, then you may have to go this route. And if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, follow.